In the previous video we looked at the relationship between the unit circle and sine theta and cos theta, the trigonometric ratios. It was using the fact that the radius of the unit circle is 1, we were able to determine that for this particular triangle, sine theta equals the opposite side, or alternatively the y-coordinate of the point on the unit circle. Similarly, cos theta equals the adjacent side, or the x-coordinate of the point on the unit circle. There are other triangles using the unit circle that we can look at that deal with the other ratios. So in this particular video we're going to be looking at tangent and secant. And if I just alter this triangle, bring it down so that it's no longer a triangle but a straight line, and then create another triangle. This triangle doesn't extend to the unit circle, it extends beyond it. In this particular triangle the base is always 1. So for example, extend that up and down and the base remains 1. If we look at a triangle that has its base always 1, we can see what happens to the ratios. Now this is, we're talking about theta and we're talking about the adjacent side. So the adjacent side equals 1. When we're looking at our ratios, the ratios that involve the adjacent side in the denominator, tangent equals opposite over adjacent, and secant equals hypotenuse over adjacent. So we can see that with it 1, with the adjacent side equal to 1, our tangent will equal opposite for this particular triangle, and our secant will equal the hypotenuse for this particular triangle. We can see that this means also that for tangent, which is the adjacent side, that is the x-coordinate of this particular triangle. Note that it's not the same triangle, so we're not talking about the triangle that touches the unit circle. We're talking about a different triangle. We're using the unit circle as to indicate that which particular sides have a length equal to 1 unit. There is another triangle, and we will look at that in the third video, that deals with our last two ratios, cotangent and cosecant.